Good morning, students. It's Mrs. Yell because it's Thundering Thursday. Just want to let you know today we're doing lesson 10. Now, for the most part in our unit 5, you're not supposed to be using a calculator, but I'm okay if you want to use a calculator, but my preference is you're not using your calculator to determine the sign. So when you're adding two negative numbers, I want you to know that it's more negative. If you have a negative number that's large and you add a little bit of positive to it, you know that it's negative. If you have now we're into addition, so now you have two negative numbers that are being multiplied together. Fine, use the calculator to give you whatever that value is, but I want you to know that it is a negative times a negative gets you a positive. So when you're working through here, again, you're going to listen to Mr. Morgan. He actually does a lot of the work for you, but I don't want you to freak out that you would need to know mentally how to do some of these numbers. Now, ideally, we want you to do that, but right now the key is that you understand what the sign is, right? So for this one here, you've got a negative that is being multiplied by a positive, so you're going to know my final answer is negative, right? So my final answer is negative for that one. Now I know if I took 12 and times it by 1/3, I'm going to get 12 over 3, and that could be reduced to 4. So my final answer would be -4. Sorry, that's kind of sloppy for you. But what I'm really wanting you to know here is more what the sign is, kind of understanding those rules of positive and negative numbers. But we're also working on these skills here, right? Just our basic math skills when we have kind of friendlier numbers and when we have to deal with maybe something that's less friendly or something we're just kind of uncomfortable with, right? Fractions sometimes are uncomfortable. Alrighty, have a great day.